I'm often asked by people that are looking at this tech. One question I'm often asked by people that are looking at this technology is, can you give me an example of what you could do with QML? Well, it's a pretty hard question to answer because it can do so much and run just about everywhere. So there are tons and tons of examples baked right into Qt Creator, which is Qt's primary IDE. But you should already know that because, like I said, having a basic fundamental understanding of Qt and Qt Core is a prerequisite to this course. Let's just open up Qt. If you're wondering how I got these examples, you just go to the Welcome tab. You're probably on Projects, click Examples, type QML, hit Enter, and you can see there are just tons and tons of examples in here. Complete source code. These are not just, hey, this is what you could potentially do in some artist rendering. This is complete code here. So I've already got a few of these open. Just for reference, I have the planets and I have the charts. So let's just flip here. Let's run the planets. And we have a full 3D scene here. Let's just click on the sun. That is pretty cool. That's all in QML. And it comes with complete source code. And if you don't know QML, this might be a little daunting and you might be going, I don't understand any of this. That's the goal of this course, is to get you to be able to look at this and go, okay, I think I understand what's going on here. And let's look at the charts. This is extremely cool. This thing right here will run on your desktop, will run on your cell phone, any embedded device, and it just works. It's actually extremely powerful. I love it. Beyond that, if you're kind of wondering, what are really the limitations? How far could you push this? Well, it's really only limited by your imagination. Felgo, for example, they actually have a really cool app and 2D games platform. It's a complete SDK, full documentation written on top of QML and Qt, which means it runs on just about everywhere. I'm not going to really cover this because this is a third party and it does cost some money, but I wanted you to be aware that, hey, game platforms out there already exist. And there's multiple game platforms out there. I'm just picking on Felgo. You can also integrate with things like Google Firebase, so you can have real-time databases. For example, you could use the Larpoon Qt Firebase, and you can go out to GitHub and just get the full source code and just start doing commits and reads and all sorts of cool stuff. If you have any idea what Firebase is, you know just how cool this technology is. So really what I'm trying to drive home here is, what can you build with QML? That really depends on what do you want to build with QML. You have the raw power of C++ and this amazing user front end that can do just about anything from simple 2D animations all the way up to 3D planets. So really the question becomes, where do you want this to go?